All right, so now we ask the age-old question, is the Bombat truly indestructible? We're gonna see if it can take 100 good balls in play off of 80 miles an hour with dang close to a big league ball. Where is it? These things are absolute rocks, decent velo. Let's try it out. Let's take a look. Oh, dude, that's like a freaking crack. Decent little crack on the barrel right there. Switch to the other side and keep going. Oh my God, dude. No question. Okay, well now I'm kind of interested to keep going and see what happens. If you look really close right there, you can almost kind of see the carbon fiber under that apparently very thin layer of wood. Let's keep swinging. Dude, this might snap in half. Oh, one more. Dude, I saw like 5 different pieces fly off. What do I even start with? Here's the barrel that flew off. So, as advertised, we have a very, very thin layer of maple wood on the outside, and then a carbon fiber sheet, which is like almost like fabric, between the outer wood layer and that inside polyurethane situation. Here's what the inside is made out of. Looks like a lava rock or something, but there it is. And oh my God. Here's the other piece of our $300 Bombat with 200 swings on it.